Chapter number 3, A Day with Nandu. Student, from today onwards, we are going to start our recapitulation. What do you mean by recapitulation? Means the revision. This is the revision for the Term 1 exam. The first chapter which we are going to revise is chapter number 3, A Day with Nandu. This is the story of a small elephant. This elephant, can you see here in the yellow color? His name is Nandu. He is a small baby of an elephant and living with a very big family. So, we are going to learn the story of the elephant. What happens with the Nandu, what Nandu likes, how much Nandu eats, how many hours do Nandu sleep. So, in this chapter, we are going to learn about the elephant, about the life of the elephant. So, let's see here. The first one, Nandu wake up. What do you mean by wake up? उठना. सुबह आप जो उठते हो ना, wake up होते हो, उसको wake up बोलते हैं. उठना सुबह सुबह. Nandu wake up and open his eyes. What happened? One day, Nandu was in a sleep and early morning when he opened his eyes. Open his eyes मतलब आँख खोलना. For a few seconds, he was not sure where he was. Matlab, when Nandu opened his eyes and for few seconds, he was unable to identify the place that actually where he is. वो जैसे ही सुबह सोकर उठा, उसको नहीं पता था कि नंदू कहाँ है, where he is. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वेन यू आर स्लीपिंग नाइट इन योर हाउस, जब आप रात को अपने घर पे सोते हो, आपको पता है यू आर इट योर हाउस, बट शायद मम्मी आपको उठाकर कहीं और ले जाती है और आप सुबह जब आँख खोलते हो, देन यू थिंक फॉर अ वाइल, आप सोचोगे अरे रात को तो मैं यहाँ पर सोई थी, इधर कैसे आ गई, राइट. तो द सेम थिंग हैपन्स विद द नंदू ऑल्सो. In the morning, when he opened his eyes, he was unable to identify the place that, oh, where I am. It seems to him that he was surrounded by a forest, by a great tree trunk. What he saw after few seconds, he saw that, okay, I am in one of the forests, and that forest is totally of which color? The forest is covered with a great tree trunks. Means he thought that the trees of this forest are, the trunk of the forest trees are of the grey color. What do you mean by the trunk of the forest? ट्री मतलब जो ट्रीज की जो मेन ट्रंक होता है, नीचे का जो स्टैम्प होता है, वो मोस्टली ब्राउन कलर का है. बट नंदू को क्या लगा कि इस फॉरेस्ट के जितने भी ट्री के जो ट्रंक्स है वो कौन से कलर के हैं? ग्रे कलर. ही ब्लिंक हिज आईज एंड ओपन अराउंड. फिर हम सुबह उठते हैं, हम अपनी आंखों को ब्लिंक करते हैं, क्लीन करते हैं. यस, सो इन द सेम वे नंदू ऑल्सो हैव डन दैट. Oh, there was Amma. After opening his eyes, after imagining all this, what happened? What Nandu thought? Okay, my mother is standing there. Who thought this? Who thought this? Nandu. Now see, the grey forest that he has imagined he was in was actually the leg and the trunk of his family members. See what happened? Actually, Nandu was sleeping in a ground वो ज़मीन पे सो रहा था. And when he opened his eyes, her family members were standing. उसके जितने family members थे सब खड़े थे. इसलिए जब नंदू ने आइज़ को ओपन किया, उसने क्या देखा कि ये जो ट्री के ट्रंक है वो ग्रे कलर के हैं, बट एक्चुअली वो उसके फैमिली मेंबर्स के लेग उसने देखे, पैर को देखा. इसलिए उसको लगा कि यहाँ के जितने भी ट्रीज हैं वो उसके सारे ट्रंक ग्रे कलर के हैं. Now see the next. He is a Nandu. Now we will go for the next. What is written next? The sun was overhead. What do you mean by overhead? मतलब जो sun था वो नंदू के बिल्कुल कहाँ पर था, यहाँ पर, ओवरहेड यानी ऊपर, यानी दोपहर के 12 बजे का टाइम, क्योंकि 12-1 बजे क्या होता है, जो सन होता है वो बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट आके खड़ा हो जाता है हमारे हेड के ऊपर, तो वो आफ्टरनून का टाइम था। नंदू ऐसा बोल रहा था कि जो सन है इट वॉज ऑन माई हेड, वो हेड के ऊपर आके एकदम खड़ा हो गया था और बहुत ही ज़्यादा हॉट था, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा धूप थी। Nanima trumpeted. What do you mean by trumpeted? He make a loud sound. Do you know how do the elephant make the sound? Anyone can make the sound of an elephant? कोई elephant की आवाज निकाल सकता है? How does the elephant make the sound? Come on, tell me. Yeah, do the action of the trunk of elephant. Yes, so this is the trunk of the elephant. Now what happened? What she have done? She trumpeted loudly means उन्होंने जोरदार एक आवाज निकाली. Made a loud sound. Nanima is the oldest in his herd. What do you mean by HERD, herd? Herd means a group. I have written here. You can also write so you can come to know the herd means a group. Students, we all live in a family. हम सबके family हैं. Uncle, auntie, mama, mami, nana, nani, dada, dadi, very all cousins, right? So in the same way, animals also are having the family. They have a mother, father, brother, uncle, auntie, nana, nani, dada, dadi, everyone they also have. So we human beings call a family, and the elephant live together. उनको बोला जाता है herd. Herd means the group of animal, a group of elephant, a group of animal who lives together is known as herd. It's known as herd. She started moving towards the jungle. Who started moving towards the jungle? Nanima started moving towards the jungle. She is the oldest member. मतलब वो घर में सबसे ज़्यादा बुजुर्ग थी. कौन? नानी माँ. इसलिए सभी लोग नानी माँ की बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्पेक्ट करते थे और नानी माँ की हर एक बात को वो लोग मानते थे. कौन? नानी. एवरी वन ऑफ द फैमिली मेम्बर्स. नानी माँ ने एक जोरदार आवाज़ निकाली. सभी एनिमल्स ने, एलिफेंट ने नानी माँ को देखा. दे सॉ द नानी माँ एंड दे स्टार्टेड मूविंग. हु? नानी माँ स्टार्टेड मूविंग टू द जंगल. The others female elephants saw her and started to follow her. सभी दूसरे भी जितने फीमेल्स एलिफेंट थे उन्होंने नानी माँ की तरफ देखा. जब नानी माँ ने जोर की आवाज़ की, then she started moving towards the jungle. Then each and every female elephant who was in the herd, they also started moving to the jungle behind the Nani Ma. Nandu also went with them. And Nandu saw all these things, so Nandu also went with the Nanima towards the jungle. Now turn the. मैं आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक में से मिडल में से कोई भी लाइन को आपको एज अ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, एज अ ट्रू एंड फॉल्स और एज द चूज द करेक्ट आंसर एग्जाम में पूछ सकती हूँ. Is that clear? So you have to be careful for the textual exercise also. For that reason I'm giving you the revision again so I can ask any question in the exams from the textbook also. Only objective questions. Now turn the page beta. Now see the next page. When they reach the jungle, who? The herds of elephant means a group of elephant. The members of the herd started separating out. What do you mean by separating out? Means once they reach to the forest, जब एक साथ वो सब फॉरेस्ट में पहुंच गए तो सभी अलग अलग जगहों पर चले गए. Why they separated? क्यों वो अलग हो गए? See, each member went to eat her favorite leaves and twigs. बिकॉज फॉरेस्ट में बहुत सारे लीव्स थे, बहुत सारे ट्रीज थे, बहुत सारी ग्रासेस थी. तो जो फैमिली मेम्बर्स थे, जिसको जो चीज़ पसंद आई खाने के लिए, वो वहाँ पर जाकर दे स्टार्टेड ईटिंग दैट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी लिव्स इन वन फैमिली, राइट? But our food choice is different. If we go in the hotel, we don't order the same food for everyone, right? We ask each and every member, what would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? And all one dish we order, फेवरेट डिश ऑफ एवरीवन, राइट? हम सभी की पसंद का खाना ऑर्डर करते हैं व्हेन वी गो इन द होटल. सो इन द सेम वे, व्हेन दिस हर्ड वेंट इनटू द जंगल, देयर वाज मैनी ट्रीज, सो ऑल दे सेपरेटेड, सब लोग अलग अलग हो गए. जहाँ जिसको जो चीज़ पसंद आई वो लोग खाने के लिए वहाँ चले गए. सो दे गेट द सरप्राइज. व्हाट दे ईट देयर? दे ईट लीव्स एंड ट्विंग्स. After they had eaten, means when they have their tummy full, खा अच्छे से चुके थे, the herd moves towards the river. फिर herd कहाँ चले गए? They went towards the river. Can you see this picture? This picture is of the river. Can you see so many animals are there? Student, do you know that the herd of the animals, जो animals, elephant का जो group होता है ना, उसमें सारे एलिफेंट फीमेल्स होते हैं, एक भी मेल नहीं होता है. क्योंकि जो मेल एलिफेंट होते हैं, जो आदमी वाले एलिफेंट होते हैं, वो क्या करते हैं? वो कहीं और चले जाते हैं. और जितनी भी फीमेल्स एलिफेंट होती है, यानी मदर्स एलिफेंट होती है, वो एक साथ एक ही ग्रुप में रहती है. द बेबी एलिफेंट एन्जॉय प्लेइंग इन द वाटर. जो छोटे छोटे बेबीज एलिफेंट थे ऐसे वाले, वो उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा एन्जॉय किया वाटर में. द मदर ले डाउन इन द वाटर एंड मड ऑन देयर रिवर बैंक्स. एंड द मदर्स थी, जितनी भी मदर्स थी उस हर्ड में, उस ग्रुप में, वो सब ले डाउन हो गए. ले डाउन मतलब नदी किनारे पर वो जाकर सो गई पानी में, और उनके ऊपर क्या डाल दिया? मड डाल के. बिकॉज एलिफेंट लव द वाटर एंड मड वेरी मच. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट explanation which it is in the blue box. Do you know that an adult elephant can eat more than 100 kilograms of leaves and twigs in a one day? आपको पता है जो एलिफेंट है वो एक दिन में, एडल्ट मतलब बड़े एलिफेंट, बेबी एलिफेंट नहीं, बड़ी एलिफेंट एक दिन में 100 किलोग्राम्स का खाना खा सकते हैं. 100 किलोग्राम, 100 किलो खा सकते हैं एक दिन में एडल्ट एलिफेंट. एलिफेंट डू नॉट रेस्ट वेरी मच. एलिफेंट होते हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा आराम नहीं करते हैं. दे स्लीप फॉर ओनली 2 to 4 hours in a day. वो एक दिन में कितने आवर्स सोते हैं? ओनली 2 to 4 hours, 2 से 4 घंटे ही सोते हैं. एंड वी ह्यूमन बींग्स नीड एटलीस्ट 8 hours स्लीप. हम जो इंसान हैं, हम जो ह्यूमन बींग्स हैं, हमें नेसेसरी मतलब 8 hours की नींद तो हमें लेनी ही चाहिए. बट जबकि एलिफेंट है, दे स्लीप ओनली 2 to 4 hours in a day. Elephant love to play with mud and water. एलिफेंट को सबसे ज़्यादा मड और वाटर से खेलना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. वाई दे लव टू प्ले विथ मड एंड वाटर? बिकॉज मड एंड वाटर कीप देम कूल. वो बहुत बड़ी एलिफेंट है, उनको बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी लगती है, तो पानी में जाकर वो बैठते हैं और मिट्टी को अपने पूरे बॉडी पर लगा देते हैं, जिससे उनको गर्मी ना लगे, उनकी बॉडी को कूल फील करवाए. वो मड. The mud keeps their skin cool. This big ears also work like a fan. एलिफेंट के जो बड़े बड़े ईयर्स होते हैं वो फैन की तरह काम करते हैं. मतलब वो पूरे दिन उनके ईयर्स को हिलाते रहते हैं, जिससे उनके बॉडी को हवा मिलती रहे और उनको थोड़ा अच्छा लगे. The elephant flaps their टू कीप themselves कूल, मतलब जो उनके ईयर्स हैं उनको हमेशा फ्लैप्स कराते रहते हैं। फ्लैप का मतलब कंटिन्यू हिलाते रहते हैं, आपने देखा होगा। क्यों ऐसा करते हैं? बिकॉज दैट कीप्स देम कूल, वो उनको कूल रखता है, उनकी बॉडी को हवा डालता है, वो कूल रखता है। So today is a recapitulation term. So till here only we are going to see the our recapitulation. Second part we will be seeing next time. What do you mean by funs and games? Sometimes we, to keep ourselves happy, we do something refreshment. Refreshment means we do something that which makes us happy and which makes us relax, right? So in the same way, when they went to the forest, when they have their food, they all went to the river bank side. मतलब वो नदी किनारे गए थे. After eating their food, after taking their lunch, it was afternoon time, it was very hot, and even the elephant was feeling very hot. So to keep themselves cool, they went to the river side. Now what happened there, that we will see. Now see there. Nandu saw his brothers and sister pulling each other tails. Who saw pulling each other tails? Who saw it? Nandu. Everyone underline that. Till tail. Till tail आपको ऐसा mark बनाना है. Till tail you have to make a mark from your Nandu. So this can be a question for your exam. I can ask this as a fill in the blanks, true and false, or match the following. Now see the next. He thought I better no not go near them. नंदू ने क्या सोचा है? अच्छा है मैं तो उनके पास जाऊंगा ही नहीं. I don't want to go to them. What if they fall me on? मतलब what Nandu told, what happen if they fall on me? अगर वो मस्ती मस्ती में मेरे ऊपर गिर गए, then it can be a problem for me. I am still small. What Nandu told, I am very small, so I will not go to my brothers and sister. He quickly went and stood near his mother. Who went near his mother? Nandu quickly went to his mother and stood there. Stood there means वहाँ जाके वो खड़ा हो गया. अम्मा भी बहुत स्मार्ट थी. Underline, Amma gently pushed Nandu towards the water. Come on. Make the bracket and underline this. Make the bracket and underline this. Amma gently pushed Nandu towards the water, as if she was telling him to go and play. What Nandu's mother was telling, that you go and play with your brother and sister, don't stand near me. Nandu loved to play in the water. His cousins were already there. Now see, can you see here that he is a Nandu, he is playing, right? What he is doing? He is playing, and already before her brothers were inside the river. And then slowly Nandu also went to the river and he started playing there, and then he enjoyed. उसने enjoy भी करना start कर दिया with the water. Just as he reached near the, जैसे ही अभी वो पहुंचा ही था, a strong fountain of water fell on his head. जैसे ही नंदू रिवर के अंदर गया, what happened? A big fountain of water. Can you see this? This is the fountain of water. Fell on the Nandu's head. वो नंदू के हेड पर एकदम से जाकर गिरा. क्या? Fountain of water. He get wet. He get wet means वो पूरे गीले हो गए. Who? Nandu. Oh, this was the work of his naughty cousin. What Nandu told? He is the cousin of his Nandu. ये नंदू का cousin था, and he do this to Nandu. He put the water on the head of the Nandu. He make the Nandu whole wet. So what Nandu is telling? Oh, this is the work of my naughty cousin. Nandu joined them in the game. Then afterwards, Nandu also started putting the water to each other, and he also started enjoying playing in the water with his brothers and sisters. Now turn the page. Before sunset, बिफोर सनसेट मतलब शाम होने से पहले द हर्ड मीन्स अ ग्रुप ऑफ एनिमल द हर्ड स्टार्टेड बैक टूवर्ड्स द जंगल बाय देन Nandu was very tired. Please underline Nandu was very tired and close the bracket from both the side and close the bracket. It was totally evening. शाम हो चुकी थी. Nandu was very tired. They went back to the forest. He scattered himself between the mother's front leg. What happened? Nandu was actually, he was very tired. So what happened? He went to sleep. Her mother was sleeping down to the ground और मम्मी के आगे के दोनों पैरों के बीच में जो जगह थी he go to there and he sleep there और वो वहाँ जाकर सो गया. Who? Nandu. Asleep and drank his milk और उसने अपनी मम्मी से दूध पिया और वहाँ जाकर he got a sleep. Who? Nandu. You have read about the Nandu and the elephant herd. An elephant herd has a mainly female and a baby's elephant. जो एलिफेंट का जो ग्रुप होता है उसमें कोई भी मेल एलिफेंट नहीं होते हैं, फादर एलिफेंट नहीं होते हैं. सारे के सारे कैसे एलिफेंट होते हैं? मदर एलिफेंट होते हैं. द ओल्डेस्ट फीमेल इज द लीडर ऑफ द हेड. जैसे यहाँ ओल्डेस्ट फीमेल कौन था? नानीमा वॉज द ओल्डेस्ट फीमेल ऑफ द हर्ड, सो शी इज द लीडर. What Nanima used to tell, everyone have to follow that. A herd may have 10 to 12 female elephant. Underline and make the bracket also. A herd may have 10 to 12 female elephant and close this bracket. And young ones. Male elephant live in the herd till they are 14 to 15 years old. Now Nandu is also a male elephant. Now till which age Nandu is going to live with his mother? Till the age of 14 to 15. मतलब जैसे ही नंदू 14 years का हो जाएगा या तो 15 years का हो जाएगा, वो अपनी मदर को छोड़कर अलग चला जाएगा, अलग से वो अपना फैमिली बनाएगा. Then they leave their herds and moves around alone. Nandu will also leave his herd when he is that old. मतलब जब नंदू 14 या 15 years का हो जाएगा तो वो भी अपना फैमिली यानी ये जो फैमिली है 10 to 12 एनिमल एलिफेंट का, he will leave that herd, वो ग्रुप को छोड़कर चला जाएगा. and he will make a new group. What he will do? He will make a new group. Okay, got it? So mostly in the female elephant, who are there? Only the female elephant lives. There is not a male elephant. Male elephant नहीं होते हैं. सिर्फ और सिर्फ कौन होता है? फीमेल एलिफेंट ही होते हैं. Like elephant, some others animal also live together in a group. Not only the elephant live in a group. There are many animals, giraffe, kangaroo, zebra. This all elephant lives in a group. This animal groups are called a herds. So this of animals, जो animals एक साथ group में रहते हैं उनको बोला जाता है herds. Animals in herd usually move around together in search of food. Why these groups moves together? In search of food. In search of food मतलब खाने की तलाश में ये जो एनिमल्स का जो ग्रुप होता है वो इधर उधर घूमता रहता है. The search of food, खाने की तलाश में. So the animal who roams together, जो एनिमल्स एक साथ घूमते हैं उसको herd बोला जाता है. And only the elephant does not move in a herds. There are many animals. Giraffe is there, zebra is there, kangaroos are there. This all moves together in a one group. Elephants are there, right? Means dogs. This all animals always live in a herd, means in a group. Is that clear? So here we have completed our explanation of this chapter number 3, that is our revision. So here we have completed our revision of chapter number 3. Student, already I have sent you the PDF of this chapter previously in your WhatsApp group. So the student who have not completed the textual exercise still are requested to complete this all exercise in your textbook, because from your textbook also I can may ask in your exam. So at that time you should not tell me that madam sorry I have not having the answer in my textbook. I have forwarded you the PDF, so please go through to that PDF in your WhatsApp group, and I'm going to send again the same chapters PDF. So the student who have not completed in the textbook, they will be easily completed. Okay, is that clear? So here we are ending our chapter number 3 explanation, that is our revision.